Hi, my name's Ariella. I live full-time in my Class C motorhome, and I finally got around to editing some footage that I took of my motorhome when I first purchased it in March of 2023. So it's been 2.5 years. I thought I would share some of my adventures of renovating a motorhome with no building experience whatsoever. You can see from behind me, it looks very different from the first day I purchased it. So this video is just from that very first day and everything I got done in it. I will have a couple other follow-up videos of more renovations that I filmed. So yeah, I hope you stick around and check it out. All right, here in my brand new to me motorhome, just bought it. In the Portland Sherry's parking lot, and me and Buddy here, we are about to take off, and Dad's behind me. He's gonna follow me home, so let's do this. Oh my goodness, on the 205 bridge. 55. Okay, yep, good with this. This is fine. Fine. Try to stay in my lane. Oh, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Wow. I got a lead foot. This thing that drives really fast. Trying to stay in my lane. Oh, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Oh my gosh. What do you think, bud? This is our new home. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I bought a motorhome. Oh, wow. Still in shock. First thing I want to do is start taking apart the back. I want to get this dinette out. I want to put down some laminate floors. I really would like to paint the cabinets, but my parents kind of talked me out of it. They are light wood, and so I do think they look pretty nice. I think everyone's just painting all their cabinets white now, so I think maybe just leaving them how they are, you know, will be fine for now, and then if I don't like them, I can always change them down there. There's a recliner in the back. The previous owner had taken out the couch, thankfully, but he put a recliner in, and I don't want to keep it, so I'm gonna get rid of that. And I'd like to put in another couch, but I'm kind of thinking maybe like if I had a bench with storage and just like had some nice comfy cushions, maybe that would be better. I don't know. I'm still like undecided what I'm gonna do. So, stay tuned. Okay, so we are parked. Had some time to hang out for a little bit. Emmett is kind of ready to not be in here anymore. But just a quick walk through. Here's the over the cab bed. It's all original up here. Not really planning to change anything up here right now. But hopefully in the future, something more comfortable maybe. Here's the dinette I want to rip out. Probably first thing, try to get somebody maybe on Facebook Marketplace that maybe wants to come pick this up. Here's the back. It's got a rear kitchen. So there's not a couch here anymore. The owner put in a lazy boy.
Planning to get rid of that. It is very comfortable, but I'd rather have like a couch here. There's also a brand new RV cover I'm not planning on using, so we'll probably get rid of that too. Mismatched carpet, would like to take that out and put in some laminate floors. Here's a view from this angle with the slide out. There's just so much space in here, which is hard to see on camera. This drawer is kind of broken. The back of it isn't holding on very well, so I pulled that out. And yeah, kitchen, all original, really good shape. I want to take out those blinds. And here's the bathroom. It's got a bathtub in there that I don't really fit in, but it's okay. It's an RV. So yeah, I would really love to replace the sink, but it's so shallow. It's like 8 inches deep maybe at the most. Yeah, we will see about that. So yeah, we're gonna go inside and I'm gonna post photos of the recliner and the booth, see if we can get those hauled off, and then maybe off to Home Depot later to pick up some materials. All right, so I'm back in my RV. I posted the dinette and the Lazy Boy on Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist, but I figured while I'm waiting to hear from someone, I would just start dismantling the dinette and getting ready to rip up the flooring in here. I finally just figured out how to turn the furnace on. It was super obvious. It wasn't obvious when I was looking at it earlier, but anyhow, yeah, so I guess I'm gonna start taking this apart. I brought my drill. So, alrighty, here we go. Alrighty. Wasn't so bad. Oh, these screws on the floor though don't look very good. They're kind of rusted. Wow, it's like going in at an angle. Nice. Okay. These up as well. Oh, I'm gonna need a wrench. So probably gonna have to come back out here in a minute because these are bolted to the floor. So we will need to come back with a wrench, but otherwise it's just a bunch of screws here into the floor. So I think that this will go super fast once I go get a wrench. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, a quick update. My dad gave me a bunch of his socket set, so I get to work on getting these bolts up. And I already figured out that this would be the right one. This is right. Oh my gosh. What? How did these like lock into place? No idea how that works. I am finishing getting this out. However, these bolts are like in the floor real good, so not sure how I'm gonna get these bolts out of the floor. I'm guessing I'm gonna have to go under the carriage to get them out. But in other news, sun is shining, so yeah, we will finish getting this out. I'm actually probably gonna take my sweatshirt off now because it's heating up. Alrighty, we'll get through this. And Buddy here has his bed, so he's happier. I'm gonna go ahead and get to work on this guy, and yeah, should go pretty quick now. Just got a utility knife. I'm gonna clean up all the screws and then finish cutting out the carpet. And then I'll be able to get the frames out of here and then hopefully be able to access the rest of the screws I'm not able to get because the seatbelt frames are in the way. So, I'm gonna get started. I don't have to cut the carpet. Oh. Yes! Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so my dad had a good idea of prying off the trim here and trying to get this separated because we found out that there are screws going in to this piece of wood here straight into the wall, and then they covered it with this. So I need to be able to like peel this back, which, well, looks like it's actually gonna start coming. And well, evening time, a lot of stuff has happened. Dinette is officially out. So is the recliner. And so really open the space up in here. Now just gotta get the carpeting out and the old linoleum in here too. And hopefully we can start putting some floors in here. Yeah, it's been a long day. I am exhausted, but I'm pretty happy with how everything's coming together. Found some mouse poop in here too. That's kind of disappointing, but hopefully that's the only place that we have it. Yeah, I'm gonna start ripping up this carpet. Unfortunately, did not have a socket deep enough for these seatbelt bolts. So not sure what I'm gonna do here. I need to just find a wrench to undo these bolts. But that's all for now.